Sorry about that, guys. I'm going to do another. I'm doing part 3 right now. Sorry about that. My video
Me too.
got cut off.
Yeah, you go first.
Vengeance.
No, seriously, you go first.
July 27, 2003.
Dad, I got a part in this huge.
I think it's in another $3 or 3 hour. Yep, 3 hour pay-per-view.
We leave tomorrow afternoon.
I'm going to check this on the network. I'm going to check all these on the network.
I should have got it first.
Why? What were you gonna say?
See what got cut out and what didn't get cut out. Here's one of the pay-per-views.
Just, travel safely, okay? Just really enjoy.
Unforgiven. Think 9/23/2001.
I remember what I was going to say.
I'm going to check all these on the network still, guys. I'm sorry to keep saying that. I'm going to check it all, see how it is.
Always have. If I've been a jerk this last week, it's because
This is Armageddon from,
fighting for you.
I think, 2001. Yep, actually, I did see this live. I did watch it on the pay-per-view. I watched it on pay-per-view, not the network. That's how old I am, from 2001. Here it is. Here's a VHS copy. I am gonna do the same thing.
Any reactions?
This is from No Mercy. This is from 1999. I think I had this one, but to be honest with you, I really don't remember if I had this one.
You say this to me now after 22 years of being my friend?
Yes. It's all questions. You tell me that you can't answer.
This is from Evasion, July 22nd,
Ever ask in my entire life.
2001. I have a VHS
Well, you do
copy
have to pack, but I have like a load of whites in the dryer.
DVD
and,
copy.
My dad called my relatives from San Clemente and they're expecting me, so it's all in the works.
See?
This is
DVD and the VHS copy.
in your heart.
Sweet. Unforgiven. From what year is
I'm
it?
sorry.
September 22nd, 2002. Yes.
I'm sorry too.
WrestleMania 2000.